Hey, welcome to the Eat My Uke channel, where this month is Arctic Monkeys month. So today we are learning Teddy Picket on the ukulele. By the end of this lesson, this is what you'll be able to play. Really simple, really fun, and actually quite easy. So if you're new to the channel, if you just stumbled across it, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. I upload ukulele content every single week. Usually I perform well-known classic albums and arrange them for the uke, then perform them. So if you think that's something you'll dig, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, because we all know how bullshit YouTube's been at the minute about showing people videos. So yeah, that really helps me. Let's get on with the lesson. So, we're starting on the 5th fret of the 3rd string, and we're hitting that twice. Just there. Hit it twice. Then you're dropping down a string to the 6th fret, down to the 5th. Alright, then you're coming back up and hitting the 4th fret on the E. Alright, and then you're just repeating that 3 times. That note there is kind of like a little opening before the riff. It's just before the beat starts, just before the kick drum. Alright, just kind of think of it like that and it'll help your rhythm. So the next part, it's very similar rhythm, just different notes. So again, we're doing the opening note just before the kick, and that's the 5th fret of the E string. And then you're doing the open string twice. Alright. Then you're hitting the 4th fret, then open again. Alright, then you're repeating that again, but instead of the 5th being your opening, it's the open string. So you're basically playing the open string 3 times. Alright, then you're dropping down to the 3rd fret of the A string. That's your opening note before the kick. Then you're doing the 5th fret twice. And you'll find we've cycled back into the first little riff we learned. So it's like... Alright? So, combining them last few sections together, you'd have this. Then combining all of it together to get the rounded riff, sounds like this. Sweet, sounds really good, lots of fun to play. And if you're struggling with the speed, Arctic Monkeys are a really fast band, so it can be quite difficult to play along with sometimes. But what you want to do, you just want to play it really slow. Like a turtle speed, super, super slow. Almost like this. And what that's going to do, that's just going to get your fingers in the right position. Make sure you're playing the right note. Make sure your timing's correct. And you're just allowing your fingers to breathe a little bit and just ease into it and get really comfortable. So you'll gradually speed up and you'll have the foundations there already. Strengthen your fingers. Your fingers know what they're doing because you've practiced it slowly. And you'll just naturally get faster and faster and faster. And it's a really great way to practice anything on any instrument. Slow, 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 slow. Slow and steady wins the race, and I guarantee it'll help you when learning this song. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're excited for Arctic Monkeys month. I know I am. They're releasing a new album soon. I don't know when it is, but I'm hoping it's going to be around the time that this gets uploaded. So yeah, I'll see you very soon for another Arctic Monkeys related video.